Hello, it's Sofia's kitchen, and as our Mid-Autumn Festival near at hand, we're going to make some mooncakes. So, let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at all our ingredients. What we have here. This is miàn pan. This is 一般的水. This one is táng jiān. Look here. If you don't have táng jiān, you can use honey. Here we have jiǎn shuǐ. This one is xiàn huáng. This one is jiǎn. Here we have 红豆沙馅. And the last one, xiàn. The first step, we need to add 140 grams of our golden syrup. Okay. Next step, we need to add a little bit, like 4 grams of jiǎn shuǐ, light water. Okay, now take this thing and mix it together. Next step is yolk, peanut oil. We need to add 40 grams into our syrup. One more time, we need to mix it together to get that smooth texture. Then you need to add 220 grams of flour. Mix it well, very carefully. If you see that your dough is too dry, you can add a little bit of peanut oil, or if you can see your dough is a little bit wet, you can add some more flour. I'm going to use my hand to mix it well, to get that creamy texture. Okay, as you can see, we have our dough almost done here. The next step is to add a little bit flour here. Put the dough in the middle and give it a little bit of massage to get that perfect texture. Okay, now we need to make a little ball and wrap it into the plastic wrap. Okay, and put it into the fridge for 1 hour. Okay, while we are waiting for our dough, we need to prepare our filling. So the first step, we need to take the red bean paste. We need 25 grams of it. Oh, we have it. Next is the salted egg yolk, salted duck egg yolk. We need to cut it in half and to make a ball of it. This. Then wrap it up. Okay, so this is our filling for one mooncake. Then, as we have our dough ready, we need to divide it into small pieces, about 20 grams each. Then roll it up to make a little ball. As we have our filling and dough ready, we need to make a big bowl including all these 2 ingredients. So take the dough, make a little flat, and put the filling into it and wrap it over. As we have these all things ready, we can shape them with this mold. Okay, maybe not to get sticky, we should use a little bit of flour, like this. Then we have some patterns here. We can choose our favorite one, put it inside the mold, like this. Okay, we have our oven for 170 degrees, so we need to put our mooncakes on this pan and bake them for 5 minutes. And spray a little bit of water onto mooncakes. And we need 5 minutes to bake them. And then we need 1 egg, and we need to separate the egg yolk and the white. Add some water in it and mix together. So 5 minutes are over, so we can get out our mooncakes and spread the egg yolk on the top of them. Once we're done, we need to put it back into the oven for 10 more minutes. Ten minutes are over. Let's check them out. Oh, as you can see, our mooncakes are done. Can you see that golden brown color? I can smell the flavor of red bean paste. Okay. Happy Mid-Autumn Festival! 中秋节快乐!